Simple past tense.
Merupakan kata kerja yang menyatakan tindakan yang terjadi di masa lampau atau telah terjadi. Berikut penggunaannya dalam kalimat. Ayo mulai. Saya bangun terlambat kemarin.
I woke up late yesterday. I woke up late yesterday.
Saya bangun terlambat kemarin. Dia memasak sarapan untuk kami.
She cooked breakfast for us. She cooked breakfast for us.
Dia memasak sarapan untuk kami. Mereka menonton film tadi malam.
They watched a movie last night. They watched a movie last night.
Mereka menonton film tadi malam. Dia bermain sepak bola dengan teman-temannya.
He played soccer with his friends. He played soccer with his friends.
Dia bermain sepak bola dengan teman-temannya. Kami mengunjungi museum akhir pekan lalu.
We visited a museum last weekend. We visited a museum last weekend.
Kami mengunjungi museum akhir pekan lalu. Saya makan siang di restoran.
I ate lunch at a restaurant. I ate lunch at a restaurant.
Saya makan siang di restoran. Dia belajar bahasa Inggris kemarin.
She studied English yesterday. She studied English yesterday.
Dia belajar bahasa Inggris kemarin. Mereka pergi berbelanja di mall.
They went shopping in the mall. They went shopping in the mall.
Mereka pergi berbelanja di mall. Dia menyelesaikan PR-nya.
He finished his homework. He finished his homework.
Dia menyelesaikan PR-nya. Kami pergi berenang di kolam renang.
We went swimming in the pool. We went swimming in the pool.
Kami pergi berenang di kolam renang. Saya bertemu teman saya di taman.
I met my friend at the park. I met my friend at the park.
Saya bertemu teman saya di taman. Dia bermain piano dengan indah.
She played the piano beautifully. She played the piano beautifully.
Dia bermain piano dengan indah. Dia menonton pertandingan bola basket langsung.
He watched a basketball game live. He watched a basketball game live.
Dia menonton pertandingan bola basket langsung. Kami pergi berlibur ke kota baru bulan lalu.
We traveled to a new city last month. We traveled to a new city last month.
Kami pergi berlibur ke kota baru bulan lalu. Saya makan malam dengan keluarga saya.
I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family.
Saya makan malam dengan keluarga saya. Dia belajar matematika untuk tes.
She studied math for the test. She studied math for the test.
Dia belajar matematika untuk tes. Mereka menonton konser akhir pekan lalu.
They watched a concert last weekend. They watched a concert last weekend.
Mereka menonton konser akhir pekan lalu. Dia menyelesaikan pekerjaannya tepat waktu.
He finished his work on time. He finished his work on time.
Dia menyelesaikan pekerjaannya tepat waktu. Kami pergi mendaki gunung.
We went hiking in the mountains. We went hiking in the mountains.
Kami pergi mendaki gunung. Saya bertemu sepupu saya di mall.
I met my cousin at the mall. I met my cousin at the mall.
Saya bertemu sepupu saya di mall. Dia bermain voli dengan teman-temannya.
She played volleyball with her friends. She played volleyball with her friends.
Dia bermain voli dengan teman-temannya. Mereka membersihkan mobil mereka kemarin.
They cleaned their car yesterday. They cleaned their car yesterday.
Mereka membersihkan mobil mereka kemarin. Dia menonton pertandingan sepak bola di TV.
He watched a soccer match on TV. He watched a soccer match on TV.
Dia menonton pertandingan sepak bola di TV. Kami pergi berlibur ke landmark terkenal.
We traveled to a famous landmark. We traveled to a famous landmark.
Kami pergi berlibur ke landmark terkenal. Saya makan pizza untuk makan malam.
I ate pizza for dinner. I ate pizza for dinner.
Saya makan pizza untuk makan malam. Dia belajar ilmu pengetahuan semester lalu.
She studied science last semester. She studied science last semester.
Dia belajar ilmu pengetahuan semester lalu. Mereka menonton film di rumah.
They watched a movie at home. They watched a movie at home.
Mereka menonton film di rumah. Dia menyelesaikan presentasinya.
He finished his presentation. He finished his presentation.
Dia menyelesaikan presentasinya. Kami pergi berkemah di hutan.
We went camping in the forest. We went camping in the forest.
Kami pergi berkemah di hutan. Saya bertemu penyanyi favorit saya.
I met my favorite singer. I met my favorite singer.
Saya bertemu penyanyi favorit saya. Dia bermain gitar di pesta.
She played guitar at the party. She played guitar at the party.
Dia bermain gitar di pesta. Mereka membersihkan kamarnya.
They cleaned their room. They cleaned their room.
Mereka membersihkan kamarnya. Dia menonton konser langsung.
He watched a live concert. He watched a live concert.
Dia menonton konser langsung. Kami pergi berlibur ke pantai yang indah.
We traveled to a beautiful beach. We traveled to a beautiful beach.
Kami pergi berlibur ke pantai yang indah. Saya makan es krim sebagai pencuci mulut.
I ate ice cream for dessert. I ate ice cream for dessert.
Saya makan es krim sebagai pencuci mulut. Dia belajar sejarah di sekolah.
She studied history in school. She studied history in school.
Dia belajar sejarah di sekolah. Mereka menonton pertunjukan komedi.
They watched a comedy show. They watched a comedy show.
Mereka menonton pertunjukan komedi. Dia menyelesaikan proyek seninya.
He finished his art project. He finished his art project.
Dia menyelesaikan proyek seninya. Kami pergi memancing di sungai.
We went fishing in the river. We went fishing in the river.
Kami pergi memancing di sungai. Saya bertemu teman masa kecil saya.
I met my childhood friend. I met my childhood friend.
Saya bertemu teman masa kecil saya. Dia bermain tenis dengan adik perempuannya.
She played tennis with her sister. She played tennis with her sister.
Dia bermain tenis dengan adik perempuannya. Mereka membersihkan taman mereka.
They clean their garden. They clean their garden.
Mereka membersihkan taman mereka. Dia menonton pertunjukan tarian.
He watched a dance performance. He watched a dance performance.
Dia menonton pertunjukan tarian. Kami pergi berlibur ke negara asing.
We traveled to a foreign country. We traveled to a foreign country.
Kami pergi berlibur ke negara asing. Saya makan sandwich untuk makan siang.
I eat a sandwich for lunch. I eat a sandwich for lunch.
Saya makan sandwich untuk makan siang. Dia belajar bahasa Prancis di perguruan tinggi.
She studied French in college. She studied French in college.
Dia belajar bahasa Prancis di perguruan tinggi. Mereka melihat pertunjukan magis.
They watched a magic show. They watched a magic show.
Mereka melihat pertunjukan magis. Dia menyelesaikan eksperimen ilmiahnya.
He finished his science experiment. He finished his science experiment.
Dia menyelesaikan eksperimen ilmiahnya. Kami pergi berwisata di kota.
We went sightseeing in the city. We went sightseeing in the city.
Kami pergi berwisata di kota. Saya bertemu aktor favorit saya.
I met my favorite actor. I met my favorite actor.
Saya bertemu aktor favorit saya. Dia bermain basket di taman.
She played basketball in the park. She played basketball in the park.
Dia bermain basket di taman. Saya makan burger untuk makan siang.
I ate a burger for lunch. I ate a burger for lunch.
Saya makan burger untuk makan siang. Mereka membersihkan halaman belakang mereka.
They clean their backyard. They clean their backyard.
Mereka membersihkan halaman belakang mereka. Dia menonton pertunjukan teater.
He watched a theater performance. He watched a theater performance.
Dia menonton pertunjukan teater. Kami pergi berlibur ke gunung terkenal.
We traveled to a famous mountain. We traveled to a famous mountain.
Kami pergi berlibur ke gunung terkenal. Saya makan sushi untuk makan malam.
I ate sushi for dinner. I ate sushi for dinner.
Saya makan sushi untuk makan malam. Dia belajar biologi untuk ujian.
She studied biology for the exam. She studied biology for the exam.
Dia belajar biologi untuk ujian. Mereka menonton film dokumenter di TV.
They watched a documentary on TV. They watched a documentary on TV.
Mereka menonton film dokumenter di TV. Dia menyelesaikan bukunya.
He finished his book. He finished his book.
Dia menyelesaikan bukunya. Kami pergi berbelanja di pasar.
We went shopping in the market. We went shopping in the market.
Kami pergi berbelanja di pasar. Aku bertemu temanku di kafe.
I met my friend at the cough. I met my friend at the cough.
Aku bertemu temanku di kafe. Dia bermain gitar di pantai.
She played the guitar at the beach. She played the guitar at the beach.
Dia bermain gitar di pantai. Mereka membersihkan dapur mereka.
They cleaned their kitchen. They cleaned their kitchen.
Mereka membersihkan dapur mereka. Dia menonton pertandingan sepak bola.
He watched a football match. He watched a football match.
Dia menonton pertandingan sepak bola. Kami pergi berlibur ke monumen terkenal.
We traveled to a famous monument. We traveled to a famous monument.
Kami pergi berlibur ke monumen terkenal. Dia belajar psikologi di universitas.
She studied psychology in university. She studied psychology in university.
Dia belajar psikologi di universitas. Mereka menonton pertunjukan anak-anak.
They watched a children's show. They watched a children's show.
Mereka menonton pertunjukan anak-anak. Dia menyelesaikan proyeknya di tempat kerja.
He finished his project at work. He finished his project at work.
Dia menyelesaikan proyeknya di tempat kerja. Kami pergi jogging di taman.
We went jogging in the park. We went jogging in the park.
Kami pergi jogging di taman. Saya bertemu penulis favorit saya.
I met my favorite author. I met my favorite author.
Saya bertemu penulis favorit saya. Dia bermain catur dengan saudara laki-lakinya.
She played chess with her brother. She played chess with her brother.
Dia bermain catur dengan saudara laki-lakinya. Mereka membersihkan ruang tamu mereka.
They cleaned their living room. They cleaned their living room.
Mereka membersihkan ruang tamu mereka. Dia menonton pertunjukan band langsung.
He watched a live band performance. He watched a live band performance.
Dia menonton pertunjukan band langsung. Kami pergi berlibur ke landmark terkenal.
We traveled to a famous landmark. We traveled to a famous landmark.
Kami pergi berlibur ke landmark terkenal. Saya makan pasta untuk makan malam.
I eat pasta for dinner. I eat pasta for dinner.
Saya makan pasta untuk makan malam. Dia belajar musik di sekolah.
She studied music in school. She studied music in school.
Dia belajar musik di sekolah. Mereka menonton film fiksi ilmiah.
They watched a science fiction movie. They watched a science fiction movie.
Mereka menonton film fiksi ilmiah. Saya sudah sarapan.
I ate breakfast. I ate breakfast.
Saya sudah sarapan. Dia bermain basket.
She played basketball. She played basketball.
Dia bermain basket. Kami menonton film.
We watched a movie. We watched a movie.
Kami menonton film. Mereka mengunjungi kakek nenek mereka.
They visited their grandparents. They visited their grandparents.
Mereka mengunjungi kakek nenek mereka. Dia menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumahnya.
He finished his homework. He finished his homework.
Dia menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumahnya. Kamu menelepon temanmu.
You called your friend. You called your friend.
Kamu menelepon temanmu. Saya berjalan ke taman.
I walked to the park. I walked to the park.
Saya berjalan ke taman. Dia membersihkan rumah.
She cleaned the house. She cleaned the house.
Dia membersihkan rumah. Kami belajar bahasa Inggris.
We studied English. We studied English.
Kami belajar bahasa Inggris. Mereka membeli sepatu baru.
They bought new shoes. They bought new shoes.
Mereka membeli sepatu baru. Dia mengunjungi museum.
He visited the museum. He visited the museum.
Dia mengunjungi museum. Saya berada di rumah kemarin.
I was at home yesterday. I was at home yesterday.
Saya berada di rumah kemarin. Mereka berada di pesta tadi malam.
They were at the party last night. They were at the party last night.
Mereka berada di pesta tadi malam. Dia senang setelah pertandingan.
She was happy after the game. She was happy after the game.
Dia senang setelah pertandingan. Kami berada di luar rumah.
We were outside the house. We were outside the house.
Kami berada di luar rumah. Dia lelah setelah kerja.
He was tired after work. He was tired after work.
Dia lelah setelah kerja. Mereka adalah mahasiswa pada saat itu.
They were students at that time. They were students at that time.
Mereka adalah mahasiswa pada saat itu. Cuacanya cerah kemarin.
It was sunny yesterday. It was sunny yesterday.
Cuacanya cerah kemarin. Kami teman di sekolah menengah.
We were friends in high school. We were friends in high school.
Kami teman di sekolah menengah. Dia penyanyi hebat di masa lalu.
He was a great singer in the past. He was a great singer in the past.
Dia penyanyi hebat di masa lalu. Mereka senang untuk perjalanan itu.
They were excited for the trip. They were excited for the trip.
Mereka senang untuk perjalanan itu. Dia berada di ruang tamu.
She was in the living room. She was in the living room.
Dia berada di ruang tamu. Kami terlambat untuk pertemuan itu.
We were late for the meeting. We were late for the meeting.
Kami terlambat untuk pertemuan itu. Dia sakit minggu lalu.
He was sick last week. He was sick last week.
Dia sakit minggu lalu. Mereka berlibur di Bali.
They were on vacation in Bali. They were on vacation in Bali.
Mereka berlibur di Bali. Itu adalah hari yang indah.
It was a beautiful day. It was a beautiful day.
Itu adalah hari yang indah. Kami berada di pantai sepanjang hari.
We were at the beach all day. We were at the beach all day.
Kami berada di pantai sepanjang hari. Dia adalah teman terbaik saya di perguruan tinggi.
He was my best friend in college. He was my best friend in college.
Dia adalah teman terbaik saya di perguruan tinggi. Mereka terkejut dengan beritanya.
They were surprised by the news. They were surprised by the news.
Mereka terkejut dengan beritanya. Dia berada di toko kelontong.
She was at the grocery store. She was at the grocery store.
Dia berada di toko kelontong. Kami berada di konser tadi malam.
We were at the concert last night. We were at the concert last night.
Kami berada di konser tadi malam. Dia senang dengan hasilnya.
He was happy with the result. He was happy with the result.
Dia senang dengan hasilnya. Mereka berada di taman pagi ini.
They were at the park this morning. They were at the park this morning.
Mereka berada di taman pagi ini. Dia terburu-buru mengejar bus.
She was in a hurry to catch the bus. She was in a hurry to catch the bus.
Dia terburu-buru mengejar bus. Kami berada di restoran tadi malam.
We were at the restaurant last night. We were at the restaurant last night.
Kami berada di restoran tadi malam. Itu adalah hari yang panjang di tempat kerja.
It was a long day at work. It was a long day at work.
Itu adalah hari yang panjang di tempat kerja. Mereka senang dengan beritanya.
They were excited about the news. They were excited about the news.
Mereka senang dengan beritanya. Dia sendirian di rumah.
She was alone at home. She was alone at home.
Dia sendirian di rumah. Kami berada di bioskop kemarin.
We were at the cinema yesterday. We were at the cinema yesterday.
Kami berada di bioskop kemarin. Dia adalah pemenang perlombaan itu.
He was the winner of the race. He was the winner of the race.
Dia adalah pemenang perlombaan itu. Mereka sedang berpergian ke Eropa.
They were on a trip to Europe. They were on a trip to Europe.
Mereka sedang berpergian ke Eropa. Saya lelah.
I was tired. I was tired.
Saya lelah. Mereka senang.
They were happy. They were happy.
Mereka senang. Dia berada di rumah.
She was at home. She was at home.
Dia berada di rumah. Kami adalah murid.
We were students. We were students.
Kami adalah murid. Dia terlambat.
He was late. He was late.
Dia terlambat. Kamu sibuk.
You were busy. You were busy.
Kamu sibuk. Ini cerah.
It was sunny. It was sunny.
Ini cerah. Mereka sedang bermain.
They were playing. They were playing.
Mereka sedang bermain. Dia senang.
She was happy. She was happy.
Dia senang. Kami adalah teman.
We were friends. We were friends.
Kami adalah teman. Anak-anak sedang bermain di luar.
The children were playing outside. The children were playing outside.
Anak-anak sedang bermain di luar. Filmnya menarik.
The movie was interesting. The movie was interesting.
Filmnya menarik. Mereka sedang menyanyi di paduan suara.
They were singing in the choir. They were singing in the choir.
Mereka sedang menyanyi di paduan suara. Cuaca kemarin panas.
The weather was hot yesterday. The weather was hot yesterday.
Cuaca kemarin panas. Kami terlambat untuk pertemuan.
We were late for the meeting. We were late for the meeting.
Kami terlambat untuk pertemuan. Johan ada di game.
John was at the gym. John was at the gym.
Johan ada di game. Buku-buku ada di rak.
The books were on the shelf. The books were on the shelf.
Buku-buku ada di rak. Makanannya enak.
The food was delicious. The food was delicious.
Makanannya enak. Mereka sedang menari di pesta.
They were dancing at the party. They were dancing at the party.
Mereka sedang menari di pesta. Hujan deras.
It was raining heavily. It was raining heavily.
Hujan deras. Dia sangat antusias tentang perjalanan ini.
She was excited about the trip. She was excited about the trip.
Dia sangat antusias tentang perjalanan ini. Mereka sedang menonton film.
They were watching a movie. They were watching a movie.
Mereka sedang menonton film. Kemarin adalah ulang tahunnya.
It was his birthday yesterday. It was his birthday yesterday.
Kemarin adalah ulang tahunnya. Kami sedang belajar untuk ujian.
We were studying for the exam. We were studying for the exam.
Kami sedang belajar untuk ujian. Anjing itu sedang menggonggong keras.
The dog was barking loudly. The dog was barking loudly.
Anjing itu sedang menggonggong keras. Bunga-bunga sedang mekar penuh.
The flowers were in full bloom. The flowers were in full bloom.
Bunga-bunga sedang mekar penuh. Tim itu menang.
The team was victorious. The team was victorious.
Tim itu menang. Mereka sedang memasak makan malam.
They were cooking dinner. They were cooking dinner.
Mereka sedang memasak makan malam. Konsernya luar biasa.
The concert was amazing. The concert was amazing.
Konsernya luar biasa. Kami sedang berenang di kolam.
We were swimming in the pool. We were swimming in the pool.
Kami sedang berenang di kolam. Mereka sedang bermain sepak bola.
They were playing football. They were playing football.
Mereka sedang bermain sepak bola. Quote-nya enak.
The cake was delicious. The cake was delicious.
Quote-nya enak. Kami sedang mendaki di pegunungan.
We were hiking in the mountains. We were hiking in the mountains.
Kami sedang mendaki di pegunungan. Hari itu mendung.
It was a cloudy day. It was a cloudy day.
Hari itu mendung. Mereka sedang berbicara di telepon.
They were talking on the phone. They were talking on the phone.
Mereka sedang berbicara di telepon. Kucingnya sedang tidur di sofa.
The cat was sleeping on the sofa. The cat was sleeping on the sofa.
Kucingnya sedang tidur di sofa. Kami sedang mendengarkan musik.
We were listening to music. We were listening to music.
Kami sedang mendengarkan musik. Filmnya dirilis bulan lalu.
The movie was released last month. The movie was released last month.
Filmnya dirilis bulan lalu. Mereka sedang menunggu bus.
They were waiting for the bus. They were waiting for the bus.
Mereka sedang menunggu bus. Hari itu cerah.
It was a sunny day. It was a sunny day.
Hari itu cerah. Kami sedang menyaksikan matahari terbenam.
We were watching the sunset. We were watching the sunset.
Kami sedang menyaksikan matahari terbenam. Buku itu ada di rak.
The book was on the shelf. The book was on the shelf.
Buku itu ada di rak. Mereka sedang bermain catur.
They were playing chess. They were playing chess.
Mereka sedang bermain catur. Langit penuh dengan bintang.
The sky was full of stars. The sky was full of stars.
Langit penuh dengan bintang. Kami sedang menari di pesta.
We were dancing at the party. We were dancing at the party.
Kami sedang menari di pesta. Restoran itu ramai.
The restaurant was crowded. The restaurant was crowded.
Restoran itu ramai. Mereka sedang berkendara sepeda di taman.
They were riding bikes in the park. They were riding bikes in the park.
Mereka sedang berkendara sepeda di taman. Pertemuan itu dibatalkan.
The meeting was canceled. The meeting was canceled.
Pertemuan itu dibatalkan. Kami sedang mengambil foto di pantai.
We were taking pictures on the beach. We were taking pictures on the beach.
Kami sedang mengambil foto di pantai. Kota itu sepi pada malam hari.
The city was quiet at night. The city was quiet at night.
Kota itu sepi pada malam hari. Mereka sedang belajar untuk ujian.
They were studying for the exam. They were studying for the exam.
Mereka sedang belajar untuk ujian. Mobil itu diparkir di depan rumah.
The car was parked in front of the house. The car was parked in front of the house.
Mobil itu diparkir di depan rumah. Kami sedang memasak makan malam.
We were cooking dinner. We were cooking dinner.
Kami sedang memasak makan malam. Anjing itu sedang menggonggong keras.
The dog was barking loudly. The dog was barking loudly.
Anjing itu sedang menggonggong keras. Mereka sedang berenang di kolam renang.
They were swimming in the pool. They were swimming in the pool.
Mereka sedang berenang di kolam renang. Film itu dirilis tahun lalu.
The movie was released last year. The movie was released last year.
Film itu dirilis tahun lalu. Kami sedang menunggu kereta.
We were waiting for the train. We were waiting for the train.
Kami sedang menunggu kereta. Bayi itu sedang menangis.
The baby was crying. The baby was crying.
Bayi itu sedang menangis. Mereka sedang bermain permainan video.
They were playing video games. They were playing video games.
Mereka sedang bermain permainan video. Komputer itu sudah dimatikan.
The computer was turned off. The computer was turned off.
Komputer itu sudah dimatikan. Kami sedang berjalan-jalan di taman.
We were walking in the park. We were walking in the park.
Kami sedang berjalan-jalan di taman. Kue itu dibuat oleh ibuku.
The cake was baked by my mom. The cake was baked by my mom.
Kue itu dibuat oleh ibuku. Mereka sedang menyanyikan lagu.
They were singing a song. They were singing a song.
Mereka sedang menyanyikan lagu. Jendela itu rusak.
The window was broken. The window was broken.
Jendela itu rusak. Kami sedang bermain sepak bola.
We were playing soccer. We were playing soccer.
Kami sedang bermain sepak bola. Mereka sedang tertawa karena lelucon.
They were laughing at a joke. They were laughing at a joke.
Mereka sedang tertawa karena lelucon. Buku itu ditulis oleh seorang penulis terkenal.
The book was written by a famous author. The book was written by a famous author.
Buku itu ditulis oleh seorang penulis terkenal. Kami sedang berbelanja di mall.
We were shopping at the mall. We were shopping at the mall.
Kami sedang berbelanja di mall. Kucing itu sedang mengejar tikus.
The cat was chasing a mouse. The cat was chasing a mouse.
Kucing itu sedang mengejar tikus. Mereka sedang mendaki di pegunungan.
They were hiking in the mountains. They were hiking in the mountains.
Mereka sedang mendaki di pegunungan. Saya membeli sebuah buku.
I bought a book. I bought a book.
Saya membeli sebuah buku. Mereka mengunjungi sebuah museum.
They visited a museum. They visited a museum.
Mereka mengunjungi sebuah museum. Dia belajar bahasa Inggris.
She studied English. She studied English.
Dia belajar bahasa Inggris. Kami bermain sepak bola.
We played soccer. We played soccer.
Kami bermain sepak bola. Dia mendengarkan musik.
He listened to music. He listened to music.
Dia mendengarkan musik. Kereta datang terlambat.
The train arrived late. The train arrived late.
Kereta datang terlambat. Mereka menonton film.
They watched a movie. They watched a movie.
Mereka menonton film. Dia membuka pintu.
She opened the door. She opened the door.
Dia membuka pintu. Saya menelepon teman saya.
I called my friend. I called my friend.
Saya menelepon teman saya. Kami memulai permainan.
We started the game. We started the game.
Kami memulai permainan. Dia keluar dari ruangan.
He left the room. He left the room.
Dia keluar dari ruangan. Mereka membersihkan rumah.
They cleaned the house. They cleaned the house.
Mereka membersihkan rumah. Dia menemukan kuncinya.
She found her keys. She found her keys.
Dia menemukan kuncinya. Saya lupa payung saya.
I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella.
Saya lupa payung saya. Kami bertemu dengan guru kami.
We met our teacher. We met our teacher.
Kami bertemu dengan guru kami. Dia memasak makan malam.
She cooked dinner. She cooked dinner.
Dia memasak makan malam. Mereka bermain catur.
They play chess. They play chess.
Mereka bermain catur. Dia membaca sebuah buku.
He read a book. He read a book.
Dia membaca sebuah buku. Dia belajar matematika.
She studied math. She studied math.
Dia belajar matematika. Kami menonton pertandingan sepak bola.
We watched a football match. We watched a football match.
Kami menonton pertandingan sepak bola. Mereka makan pizza.
They ate pizza. They ate pizza.
Mereka makan pizza. Dia minum kopi.
He drank coffee. He drank coffee.
Dia minum kopi. Dia mengemudi mobil.
She drove a car. She drove a car.
Dia mengemudi mobil. Mereka tidur lebih awal.
They slept early. They slept early.
Mereka tidur lebih awal. Kami mendengarkan musik.
We listen to music. We listen to music.
Kami mendengarkan musik. Dia membersihkan dapur.
She cleaned the kitchen. She cleaned the kitchen.
Dia membersihkan dapur. Mereka menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah mereka.
They finished their homework. They finished their homework.
Mereka menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah mereka. Dia mengunjungi kakak neneknya.
He visited his grandparents. He visited his grandparents.
Dia mengunjungi kakak neneknya. Dia memulai pekerjaan barunya.
She started her new job. She started her new job.
Dia memulai pekerjaan barunya. Kami belajar sejarah.
We studied history. We studied history.
Kami belajar sejarah. Mereka menemukan sebuah harta karun.
They found a treasure. They found a treasure.
Mereka menemukan sebuah harta karun. Saya menonton sebuah film dokumenter.
I watched a documentary. I watched a documentary.
Saya menonton sebuah film dokumenter. Dia bermain piano.
She played the piano. She played the piano.
Dia bermain piano. Mereka menulis surat.
They wrote a letter. They wrote a letter.
Mereka menulis surat. Dia menelepon ibunya.
He called his mother. He called his mother.
Dia menelepon ibunya. Kami berhenti di toko.
We stopped at the store. We stopped at the store.
Kami berhenti di toko. Dia melukis sebuah gambar.
She painted a picture. She painted a picture.
Dia melukis sebuah gambar. Mereka menari sepanjang malam.
They danced all night. They danced all night.
Mereka menari sepanjang malam. Dia menonton pertandingan bola basket.
He watched a basketball game. He watched a basketball game.
Dia menonton pertandingan bola basket. Kami makan siang.
We ate lunch. We ate lunch.
Kami makan siang. Dia minum air.
She drank water. She drank water.
Dia minum air. Mereka mengemudi ke pantai.
They drove to the beach. They drove to the beach.
Mereka mengemudi ke pantai. Dia tidur larut malam.
He slept late. He slept late.
Dia tidur larut malam. Kami mendengarkan radio.
We listened to the radio. We listen to the radio.
Kami mendengarkan radio. Dia membersihkan kamarnya.
She cleaned her room. She cleaned her room.
Dia membersihkan kamarnya. Mereka selesai menonton film.
They finished watching the movie. They finished watching the movie.
Mereka selesai menonton film. Dia mengunjungi seorang teman.
He visited a friend. He visited a friend.
Dia mengunjungi seorang teman. Dia memulai hobi baru.
She started a new hobby. She started a new hobby.
Dia memulai hobi baru. Kami belajar ilmu pengetahuan.
We studied science. We studied science.
Kami belajar ilmu pengetahuan. Mereka menemukan solusi.
They found a solution. They found a solution.
Mereka menemukan solusi. Saya melihat matahari terbenam.
I watched the sunset. I watched the sunset.
Saya melihat matahari terbenam. Dia bermain gitar.
She played guitar. She played guitar.
Dia bermain gitar. Mereka menulis puisi.
They wrote a poem. They wrote a poem.
Mereka menulis puisi. Dia menelepon temannya.
He called his friend. He called his friend.
Dia menelepon temannya. Kami berhenti untuk istirahat.
We stopped for a break. We stopped for a break.
Kami berhenti untuk istirahat. Dia melukis dinding.
She painted a wall. She painted a wall.
Dia melukis dinding. Mereka menari di pesta.
They danced at the party. They danced at the party.
Mereka menari di pesta. Dia menonton film dokumenter.
He watched a documentary. He watched a documentary.
Dia menonton film dokumenter. Kami makan malam.
We ate dinner. We ate dinner.
Kami makan malam. Dia minum teh.
She drank tea. She drank tea.
Dia minum teh. Mereka mengemudi ke kota.
They drove to the city. They drove to the city.
Mereka mengemudi ke kota. Dia tidur dengan tenang.
He slept peacefully. He slept peacefully.
Dia tidur dengan tenang. Kami mendengarkan podcast.
We listen to a podcast. We listen to a podcast.
Kami mendengarkan podcast. Dia membersihkan kamar mandi.
She cleaned the bathroom. She cleaned the bathroom.
Dia membersihkan kamar mandi. Mereka selesai makan.
They finished their meal. They finished their meal.
Mereka selesai makan. Dia mengunjungi restoran baru.
He visited a new restaurant. He visited a new restaurant.
Dia mengunjungi restoran baru. Dia memulai proyek baru.
She started a new project. She started a new project.
Dia memulai proyek baru. Kami belajar geografi.
We studied geography. We studied geography.
Kami belajar geografi. Mereka menemukan seekor kucing yang hilang.
They found a lost cat. They found a lost cat.
Mereka menemukan seekor kucing yang hilang. Saya menonton pertunjukan komedi.
I watched a comedy show. I watched a comedy show.
Saya menonton pertunjukan komedi. Dia bermain biola.
She played the violin. She played the violin.
Dia bermain biola. Mereka menulis cerita.
They wrote a story. They wrote a story.
Mereka menulis cerita. Dia menelpon saudara perempuannya.
He called his sister. He called his sister.
Dia menelpon saudara perempuannya. Kami berhenti di taman.
We stopped at the park. We stopped at the park.
Kami berhenti di taman. Dia melukis sebuah potret.
She painted a portrait. She painted a portrait.
Dia melukis sebuah potret. Mereka menari di pernikahan.
They danced at the wedding. They danced at the wedding.
Mereka menari di pernikahan. Dia menonton film dokumenter.
He watched a documentary film. He watched a documentary film.
Dia menonton film dokumenter. Kami makan sarapan.
We ate breakfast. We ate breakfast.
Kami makan sarapan. Dia minum jus.
She drank juice. She drank juice.
Dia minum jus. Mereka mengemudi ke pegunungan.
They drove to the mountains. They drove to the mountains.
Mereka mengemudi ke pegunungan. Dia tidur dengan tenang.
He slept peacefully. He slept peacefully.
Dia tidur dengan tenang. Kami mendengarkan berita.
We listened to the news. We listened to the news.
Kami mendengarkan berita. Dia membersihkan ruang tamu.
She cleaned the living room. She cleaned the living room.
Dia membersihkan ruang tamu. Mereka menyelesaikan pekerjaan mereka.
They finished their work. They finished their work.
Mereka menyelesaikan pekerjaan mereka. Dia mengunjungi situs bersejarah.
He visited a historical site. He visited a historical site.
Dia mengunjungi situs bersejarah. Dia memulai kelas baru.
She started a new class. She started a new class.
Dia memulai kelas baru. Kami belajar sastra.
We studied literature. We studied literature.
Kami belajar sastra. Mereka menemukan harta tersembunyi.
They found a hidden treasure. They found a hidden treasure.
Mereka menemukan harta tersembunyi. Saya menonton film horor.
I watched a horror movie. I watched a horror movie.
Saya menonton film horor. Dia bermain drum.
She played the drums. She played the drums.
Dia bermain drum. Mereka menulis surat.
They wrote a letter. They wrote a letter.
Mereka menulis surat. Dia menelpon saudara laki-lakinya.
He called his brother. He called his brother.
Dia menelpon saudara laki-lakinya. Kami berhenti di kafe.
We stopped at the cafe. We stopped at the cafe.
Kami berhenti di kafe. Dia melukis pemandangan.
She painted a landscape. She painted a landscape.
Dia melukis pemandangan. Mereka menari di klub.
They danced at the club. They danced at the club.
Mereka menari di klub. Dia menonton film fiksi ilmiah.
He watched a science fiction movie. He watched a science fiction movie.
Dia menonton film fiksi ilmiah. Kami makan siang bersama.
We ate lunch together. We ate lunch together.
Kami makan siang bersama. Dia minum kopi dengan susu.
She drank coffee with milk. She drank coffee with milk.
Dia minum kopi dengan susu. Mereka mengemudi ke pedesaan.
They drove to the countryside. They drove to the countryside.
Mereka mengemudi ke pedesaan. Dia tidur selama beberapa jam.
He slept for a few hours. He slept for a few hours.
Dia tidur selama beberapa jam. Dia memasak makan malam semalam.
She cooked dinner last night. She cooked dinner last night.
Dia memasak makan malam semalam. Saya mendengarkan musik pagi ini.
I listened to music this morning. I listened to music this morning.
Saya mendengarkan musik pagi ini. Tom belajar matematika kemarin.
Tom studied math yesterday. Tom studied math yesterday.
Tom belajar matematika kemarin. Dia menari di pesta akhir pekan lalu.
She danced at the party last weekend. She danced at the party last weekend.
Dia menari di pesta akhir pekan lalu. Mereka berjalan di taman pagi ini.
They walked in the park this morning. They walked in the park this morning.
Mereka berjalan di taman pagi ini. Dia menonton film semalam.
He watched a movie last night. He watched a movie last night.
Dia menonton film semalam. Dia membaca buku di pantai kemarin.
She read a book on the beach yesterday. She read a book on the beach yesterday.
Dia membaca buku di pantai kemarin. Mereka bermain sepak bola setelah sekolah.
They played soccer after school. They played soccer after school.
Mereka bermain sepak bola setelah sekolah. Saya membeli kemeja baru kemarin.
I bought a new shirt yesterday. I bought a new shirt yesterday.
Saya membeli kemeja baru kemarin. Dia berlari 5 kilometer pagi ini.
He ran 5 kilometers this morning. He ran 5 kilometers this morning.
Dia berlari 5 kilometer pagi ini. Mereka menulis surat untuk teman mereka akhir pekan lalu.
They wrote a letter to their friend last weekend. They wrote a letter to their friend last weekend.
Mereka menulis surat untuk teman mereka akhir pekan lalu. Dia mengemudi ke bandara kemarin.
She drove to the airport yesterday. She drove to the airport yesterday.
Dia mengemudi ke bandara kemarin. Mereka makan sushi untuk makan siang hari ini.
They ate sushi for lunch today. They ate sushi for lunch today.
Mereka makan sushi untuk makan siang hari ini. Dia minum kopi pagi ini.
He drank coffee this morning. He drank coffee this morning.
Dia minum kopi pagi ini. Dia berenang di kolam renang akhir pekan lalu.
She swam in the pool last weekend. She swam in the pool last weekend.
Dia berenang di kolam renang akhir pekan lalu. Mereka pergi ke taman kemarin.
They went to the park yesterday. They went to the park yesterday.
Mereka pergi ke taman kemarin. Saya berbicara dengan bos saya pagi ini.
I spoke to my boss this morning. I spoke to my boss this morning.
Saya berbicara dengan bos saya pagi ini. Dia terbang ke New York bulan lalu.
She flew to New York last month. She flew to New York last month.
Dia terbang ke New York bulan lalu. Dia tidur selama 8 jam semalam.
He slept for 8 hours last night. He slept for 8 hours last night.
Dia tidur selama 8 jam semalam. Dia membuat kue untuk ulang tahun temannya.
She made a cake for her friend's birthday. She made a cake for her friend's birthday.
Dia membuat kue untuk ulang tahun temannya. Dia bermain basket dengan teman-temannya kemarin.
He played basketball with his friends yesterday. He played basketball with his friends yesterday.
Dia bermain basket dengan teman-temannya kemarin. Dia menelpon ibunya setelah bekerja.
She called her mom after work. She called her mom after work.
Dia menelpon ibunya setelah bekerja. Dia menjadi guru setelah lulus.
He became a teacher after graduation. He became a teacher after graduation.
Dia menjadi guru setelah lulus. Mereka bertemu di kedai kopi pagi ini.
They met at the coffee shop this morning. They met at the coffee shop this morning.
Mereka bertemu di kedai kopi pagi ini. Dia bermain biola saat masih kecil.
She played the violin when she was a child. She played the violin when she was a child.
Dia bermain biola saat masih kecil. Dia melihat matahari terbenam yang indah kemarin.
He saw a beautiful sunset yesterday. He saw a beautiful sunset yesterday.
Dia melihat matahari terbenam yang indah kemarin. Mereka berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris pada konferensi internasional.
They spoke English at the international conference. They spoke English at the international conference.
Mereka berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris pada konferensi internasional. Mereka mengunjungi teman-teman mereka di Jakarta bulan lalu.
They visited their friends in Jakarta last month. They visited their friends in Jakarta last month.
Mereka mengunjungi teman-teman mereka di Jakarta bulan lalu. Dia mulai bekerja di perusahaan tersebut tahun lalu.
He started working at the company last year. He started working at the company last year.
Dia mulai bekerja di perusahaan tersebut tahun lalu. Dia minum secangkir teh setelah makan malam.
She had a cup of tea after dinner. She had a cup of tea after dinner.
Dia minum secangkir teh setelah makan malam. Dia menulis artikel untuk majalah tersebut.
He wrote an article for the magazine. He wrote an article for the magazine.
Dia menulis artikel untuk majalah tersebut. Dia bermain gitar di konser tersebut.
She played the guitar at the concert. She played the guitar at the concert.
Dia bermain gitar di konser tersebut. Mereka mendengar suara aneh di tengah malam.
They heard a strange noise in the middle of the night. They heard a strange noise in the middle of the night.
Mereka mendengar suara aneh di tengah malam. Dia pergi ke game sebelum bekerja.
He went to the gym before work. He went to the gym before work.
Dia pergi ke game sebelum bekerja. Dia membersihkan rumah pada akhir pekan.
She cleaned the house on the weekend. She cleaned the house on the weekend.
Dia membersihkan rumah pada akhir pekan. Mereka mengajak anjing mereka berjalan di taman kemarin.
They walked their dog in the park yesterday. They walked their dog in the park yesterday.
Mereka mengajak anjing mereka berjalan di taman kemarin. Dia menyukai film yang ditonton semalam.
She loved the movie she watched last night. She loved the movie she watched last night.
Dia menyukai film yang ditonton semalam. Mereka membeli pakaian baru untuk pesta tersebut.
They bought new clothes for the party. They bought new clothes for the party.
Mereka membeli pakaian baru untuk pesta tersebut. Dia mengunjungi kakak neneknya setiap minggu.
She visited her grandparents every Sunday. She visited her grandparents every Sunday.
Dia mengunjungi kakak neneknya setiap minggu. Dia bermain game dengan kakaknya kemarin.
He played video games with his brother yesterday. He played video games with his brother yesterday.
Dia bermain game dengan kakaknya kemarin. Dia bernyanyi di karaoke.
She sang a song at the karaoke. She sang a song at the karaoke.
Dia bernyanyi di karaoke. Dia bepergian ke Eropa untuk bulan madu.
He traveled to Europe for his honeymoon. He traveled to Europe for his honeymoon.
Dia bepergian ke Eropa untuk bulan madu. Dia mengambil foto matahari terbenam semalam.
She took a photo of the sunset last night. She took a photo of the sunset last night.
Dia mengambil foto matahari terbenam semalam. Mereka mengirim hadiah kepada kakek nenek mereka minggu lalu.
They sent a gift to their grandparents last week. They sent a gift to their grandparents last week.
Mereka mengirim hadiah kepada kakek nenek mereka minggu lalu. Mereka tinggal di Jepang selama 2 tahun.
They lived in Japan for 2 years. They lived in Japan for 2 years.
Mereka tinggal di Jepang selama 2 tahun. Dia menyelesaikan proyek sebelum batas waktu.
She finished the project before the deadline. She finished the project before the deadline.
Dia menyelesaikan proyek sebelum batas waktu. Dia mengantar teman-temannya ke bandara.
He drove his friends to the airport. He drove his friends to the airport.
Dia mengantar teman-temannya ke bandara. Mereka menulis surat keluhan kepada perusahaan tersebut.
They wrote a letter of complaint to the company. They wrote a letter of complaint to the company.
Mereka menulis surat keluhan kepada perusahaan tersebut. Saya bermain sepak bola.
I played soccer. I played soccer.
Saya bermain sepak bola. Dia belajar untuk ujian.
She studied for the exam. She studied for the exam.
Dia belajar untuk ujian. Mereka menonton film.
They watched a movie. They watched a movie.
Mereka menonton film. Dia membersihkan kamarnya.
He cleaned his room. He cleaned his room.
Dia membersihkan kamarnya. Kami mendengarkan musik.
We listen to music. We listen to music.
Kami mendengarkan musik. Dia memasak makan malam.
She cooked dinner. She cooked dinner.
Dia memasak makan malam. Mereka berjalan di taman.
They walked in the park. They walked in the park.
Mereka berjalan di taman. Dia menulis surat.
He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter.
Dia menulis surat. Kami bermain catur.
We played chess. We played chess.
Kami bermain catur. Mereka makan pizza.
They ate pizza. They ate pizza.
Mereka makan pizza. Dia bertemu dengan temannya.
She met her friend. She met her friend.
Dia bertemu dengan temannya. Dia membeli baju baru.
He bought a new shirt. He bought a new shirt.
Dia membeli baju baru. Kami mengunjungi museum.
We visited the museum. We visited the museum.
Kami mengunjungi museum. Mereka melihat matahari terbenam yang indah.
They saw a beautiful sunset. They saw a beautiful sunset.
Mereka melihat matahari terbenam yang indah. Saya bermain gitar.
I played guitar. I played guitar.
Saya bermain gitar. Dia tidur lebih awal.
She slept early. She slept early.
Dia tidur lebih awal. Mereka berdansa di pesta.
They danced at the party. They danced at the party.
Mereka berdansa di pesta. Kami memasak sarapan.
We cooked breakfast. We cooked breakfast.
Kami memasak sarapan. Saya mencuci mobil saya.
I washed my car. I washed my car.
Saya mencuci mobil saya. Mereka berjalan ke sekolah.
They walked to school. They walked to school.
Mereka berjalan ke sekolah. Dia membersihkan dapur.
He cleaned the kitchen. He cleaned the kitchen.
Dia membersihkan dapur. Mereka mengunjungi kakek nenek mereka.
They visited their grandparents. They visited their grandparents.
Mereka mengunjungi kakek nenek mereka. Dia menonton TV.
She watched TV. She watched TV.
Dia menonton TV. Mereka bermain basket.
They played basketball. They played basketball.
Mereka bermain basket. Dia belajar semalaman.
He studied all night. He studied all night.
Dia belajar semalaman. Kami berdansa di pesta.
We danced at the party. We danced at the party.
Kami berdansa di pesta. Saya makan siang di kafe.
I ate lunch at the cafe. I ate lunch at the cafe.
Saya makan siang di kafe. Mereka membersihkan rumah.
They cleaned the house. They cleaned the house.
Mereka membersihkan rumah. Dia menjalankan anjingnya.
She walked her dog. She walked her dog.
Dia menjalankan anjingnya. Dia menulis puisi.
He wrote a poem. He wrote a poem.
Dia menulis puisi. Kami bermain permainan papan.
We played board games. We played board games.
Kami bermain permainan papan. Mereka bertemu di taman.
They met at the park. They met at the park.
Mereka bertemu di taman. Dia membeli sepatu baru.
She bought new shoes. She bought new shoes.
Dia membeli sepatu baru. Dia mengunjungi kakek neneknya.
He visited his grandparents. He visited his grandparents.
Dia mengunjungi kakek neneknya. Kami melihat bintang jatuh.
We saw a shooting star. We saw a shooting star.
Kami melihat bintang jatuh. Mereka bermain permainan video.
They played video games. They played video games.
Mereka bermain permainan video. Saya tidur nyenyak.
I slept soundly. I slept soundly.
Saya tidur nyenyak. Dia minum segelas teh.
She drank a cup of tea. She drank a cup of tea.
Dia minum segelas teh. Mereka mendengarkan podcast.
They listened to a podcast. They listened to a podcast.
Mereka mendengarkan podcast. Dia memasak hidangan lezat.
He cooked a delicious meal. He cooked a delicious meal.
Dia memasak hidangan lezat. Kami menonton matahari terbenam.
We watched a sunset. We watched a sunset.
Kami menonton matahari terbenam. Mereka berjalan di sepanjang pantai.
They walked along the beach. They walked along the beach.
Mereka berjalan di sepanjang pantai. Saya menulis sebuah novel.
I wrote a novel. I wrote a novel.
Saya menulis sebuah novel. Dia bermain voli.
She played volleyball. She played volleyball.
Dia bermain voli. Mereka minum jus segar.
They drank fresh juice. They drank fresh juice.
Mereka minum jus segar. Dia membersihkan mobilnya.
He cleaned his car. He cleaned his car.
Dia membersihkan mobilnya. Kami mengunjungi situs bersejarah.
We visited a historical site. We visited a historical site.
Kami mengunjungi situs bersejarah. Mereka melihat binatang liar.
They saw a wild animal. They saw a wild animal.
Mereka melihat binatang liar. Dia belajar matematika.
She studied math. She studied math.
Dia belajar matematika. He played the piano.
He played the piano. He played the piano.
He played the piano. Mereka tidur larut.
They slept late. They slept late.
Mereka tidur larut. Kami berdansa di pernikahan.
We danced at the wedding. We danced at the wedding.
Kami berdansa di pernikahan. Dia membeli kebutuhan rumah tangga.
She bought groceries. She bought groceries.
Dia membeli kebutuhan rumah tangga. Dia menonton dokumenter.
He watched a documentary. He watched a documentary.
Dia menonton dokumenter. Mereka berjalan di hujan.
They walked in the rain. They walked in the rain.
Mereka berjalan di hujan. Saya mendengarkan podcast.
I listened to a podcast. I listened to a podcast.
Saya mendengarkan podcast. Dia bermain tenis.
She played tennis. She played tennis.
Dia bermain tenis. Mereka makan malam bersama.
They eat dinner together. They eat dinner together.
Mereka makan malam bersama. Dia menulis lagu.
He wrote a song. He wrote a song.
Dia menulis lagu. Kami mengunjungi taman bermain.
We visited a theme park. We visited a theme park.
Kami mengunjungi taman bermain. Mereka melihat pelangi.
They saw a rainbow. They saw a rainbow.
Mereka melihat pelangi. Saya bermain permainan video.
I played video games. I played video games.
Saya bermain permainan video. Kami membeli komputer baru.
We bought new computers. We bought new computers.
Kami membeli komputer baru. Saya pergi ke toko.
I went to the store. I went to the store.
Saya pergi ke toko. Dia mengendarai mobilnya.
She drove her car. She drove her car.
Dia mengendarai mobilnya. Mereka membeli pakaian baru.
They bought new clothes. They bought new clothes.
Mereka membeli pakaian baru. Kami bermain basket.
We played basketball. We played basketball.
Kami bermain basket. Dia bertemu temannya di taman.
He met his friend at the park. He met his friend at the park.
Dia bertemu temannya di taman. Dia menemukan anjing yang hilang.
She found a lost dog. She found a lost dog.
Dia menemukan anjing yang hilang. Saya makan sarapan di sebuah kafe.
I ate breakfast at a cafe. I ate breakfast at a cafe.
Saya makan sarapan di sebuah kafe. Mereka menonton film di bioskop.
They saw a movie at the cinema. They saw a movie at the cinema.
Mereka menonton film di bioskop. Kami piknik di taman.
We had a picnic in the park. We had a picnic in the park.
Kami piknik di taman. Dia membaca buku di perpustakaan.
He read a book in the library. He read a book in the library.
Dia membaca buku di perpustakaan. Dia terbang ke New York untuk berlibur.
She flew to New York for a vacation. She flew to New York for a vacation.
Dia terbang ke New York untuk berlibur. Mereka mengirim kartu pos kepada keluarga mereka.
They sent postcards to their family. They sent postcards to their family.
Mereka mengirim kartu pos kepada keluarga mereka. Saya menulis surat kepada teman saya.
I wrote a letter to my friend. I wrote a letter to my friend.
Saya menulis surat kepada teman saya. Dia mengerjakan pekerjaan rumahnya sebelum makan malam.
He did his homework before dinner. He did his homework before dinner.
Dia mengerjakan pekerjaan rumahnya sebelum makan malam. Mereka tidur larut pada akhir pekan.
They slept late on the weekend. They slept late on the weekend.
Mereka tidur larut pada akhir pekan. Kami berenang di laut.
We swam in the ocean. We swam in the ocean.
Kami berenang di laut. Dia menggambar foto bunga.
She drew a picture of a flower. She drew a picture of a flower.
Dia menggambar foto bunga. Mereka mengendarai sepeda di taman.
They rode their bikes in the park. They rode their bikes in the park.
Mereka mengendarai sepeda di taman. Saya merusak telepon saya.
I broke my phone. I broke my phone.
Saya merusak telepon saya. Dia berbicara dengan gurunya setelah kelas.
He spoke to his teacher after class. He spoke to his teacher after class.
Dia berbicara dengan gurunya setelah kelas. Mereka menemukan harta karun di halaman belakang.
They found a treasure in the backyard. They found a treasure in the backyard.
Mereka menemukan harta karun di halaman belakang. Kami makan pizza untuk makan malam.
We had pizza for dinner. We had pizza for dinner.
Kami makan pizza untuk makan malam. Dia menonton film dengan teman-temannya.
She watched a movie with her friends. She watched a movie with her friends.
Dia menonton film dengan teman-temannya. Mereka bermain sepak bola di taman.
They played soccer at the park. They played soccer at the park.
Mereka bermain sepak bola di taman. Saya mengunjungi kakak nenek saya selama akhir pekan.
I visited my grandparents over the weekend. I visited my grandparents over the weekend.
Saya mengunjungi kakak nenek saya selama akhir pekan. Dia pergi ke konser malam tadi.
He went to a concert last night. He went to a concert last night.
Dia pergi ke konser malam tadi. Mereka mengadakan pesta di rumah mereka.
They had a party at their house. They had a party at their house.
Mereka mengadakan pesta di rumah mereka. Kami membeli barang-barang kebutuhan di supermarket.
We bought groceries at the supermarket. We bought groceries at the supermarket.
Kami membeli barang-barang kebutuhan di supermarket. Dia tidur cepat semalam.
She slept early last night. She slept early last night.
Dia tidur cepat semalam. Mereka pergi ke pantai untuk berlibur.
They drove to the beach for a vacation. They drove to the beach for a vacation.
Mereka pergi ke pantai untuk berlibur. Saya menonton acara TV sebelum tidur.
I watched a TV show before bed. I watched a TV show before bed.
Saya menonton acara TV sebelum tidur. Dia bermain video game dengan teman-temannya.
He played video games with his friends. He played video games with his friends.
Dia bermain video game dengan teman-temannya.